Hello everyone, Ryan from Huckabuy here, and today we're going to be talking about how you can get your videos to show up in rich results on the front page of Google. So first off, video rich results, they can manifest in a couple of different ways, but let's take a look and see what those look like. So if we do a search for how to make Alfredo sauce, you'll notice that yes, there's the recipes up there, and you'll see these organic listings. But down below, you'll actually see the videos. And a lot of times, these videos are only YouTube videos. However, if you have them coded correctly with our software on your website, you can actually get to show up in those search results. Okay, so what information do you need to get those to show up in search results? If you go to support.huckabuy.com, click on Rich Results, and then click on Video, you'll see a list of items that you'll need on your website, at least by the video or within that area, that are required for the rich results to show in the search results. So that being said, you really only need 4 things. You need the video name, video description, thumbnail image pointing to the video file itself, and then the date that it was uploaded. Here's a quick note too, embedding a video in your website doesn't necessarily give the criteria that's needed. Now, if you're doing a live broadcast video or something from your website, please reach out to your support engineers and we can tell you exactly what needs to be on your website, because that's a lot more complicated. And you can reach out to us by submitting a request up at the top here at support.huckabuy.com. And so that concludes how you actually get videos to show in rich results. It's fairly easy. All we need is that information, and then our software can mark it up. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.